so you can overshoot where you need it. Get the bed of glue out from underneath the wallpaper so it doesn't slide on that excessive amount of glue and go right back into place. Now for some of you who are commenting, you're wasting my time, you talk too much, just click off and go on somebody else's video. This is for the guy or girl who's hanging wallpaper who wants these extra tips. This doesn't happen on every type of wallpaper. This is a nuance peculiar to the damask of Phillip Jeffries, okay? And I attribute it to the fact that it's so well constituted a wall covering that you can't break it. And so what does it do? It goes back into place. But we need to stretch it in order for the pattern to meet up. So far we're good. We first told you to look over here, okay? And with a dry hand, so that you can get traction on this paper, this is what I want you to do. You get it in place, you take your smoother, and you get rid of the excessive glue right at the seam. Now I move my hand over, I'm keeping the wallpaper in place. I'm getting rid of that bed of glue that the wallpaper is going to slide on. You understand now, look at all the glue that's coming out, the excessive glue. So the wall covering can't slide back, and the little glue under it is keeping it in place. That's what we want. Okay? That's the tip of the day. That's the trick I wanted to show you. And second, well actually it would be number 3 or 4. Then you want to go back to it. That's why we cut this, the last thing we do, we cut this at the end. Because if your wall covering retracts 1/4 inch and you've already cut it, well now you got a problem, right? So you don't want to cut it until your wallpaper has completely relaxed. I'm almost perfect here. I'm just going to keep nursing this. I call it nursing the seams. These seams like to move because when water evaporates, what happens? The material underneath the wallpaper is moving. So what do you think is going to happen to your wall covering? It's going to move imperceptibly to your eye, but the final result is going to be quite perceptible when your seams are broken away. And you didn't take into account the natural process of evaporation and contraction. This is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. Thanks for watching my channel. Please click on like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.